How to unblock someone on Facebook. So the first thing that we need to do is of course open the Facebook application. Once you're in the Facebook homepage, click on the menu icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Click on that. Between these drop-down menus, choose Settings. Click on Profile Settings, which can be found on the top, next to your profile picture. And then in this page, click on the blocking option. Here, you can see all the people that you have blocked on your account. So just press the unblock button next to them. After that, a pop-up will appear warning you about what can happen if you unblock a certain account. It will say that the person you're unblocking may be able to see your timeline or contact you depending on your settings. Also, be careful in unblocking, as if you accidentally unblock someone, you'll need to wait 48 hours to block them once again. So that is how to unblock someone on Facebook. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.